Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's show you on how you can reset your Hover One electric scooter. Now it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that it's rested on the ground. And first, you want to make sure that your scooter is turned off. So our scooter's handlebar will go ahead and look something like this. But if you have a different model, you could just go ahead and follow along because it works for different kinds of model as well. So on the handlebar, you want to go ahead and press the power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. Once again, you want to do this while the scooter is powered off. From there, it will now go ahead and restart the device itself. So it will turn on the device briefly, and then it will initiate the reset. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.